This is the new CPID4G. When you unlock this laser and place it on a flat surface or in the included mount, it levels itself almost instantly. Outputting 2 horizontal and 2 vertical beams, each beam projects 4 lines covering a full 360-degree radius. And you can toggle each of those beams on and off to suit whatever your application. That beam on the bottom is close to the ground, great for working in tiling, architraves. You can also get those vertical beams within 10mm of a wall or corner too. A really cool feature unique to this unit is the LCD display on top. If you lock the self-leveling pendulum, power the laser on, you get an accurate real-time reading on both the X and the Y axis while you tilt the laser, which is great for doing angled work, sloping ceilings, dialing in a ramp, you name it. Now the laser is powered by a lithium battery pack. It comes with 2 of those battery packs, which you can charge via the included USB-C, either by plugging them in directly to the battery, or you can plug the laser in and charge them in the laser while you're also using the laser if you've got power nearby. Really simple controls. I talked already about how you can toggle the horizontal and the verticals on and off. You can also change the brightness of the laser by pressing and holding the horizontal button. It's got 3 levels of output, 100, 50 and 25%, which is great for low light settings so you can extend your runtime on a single charge out to 12 hours. And by pressing and holding the V button, you switch the laser over to pulse mode, which increases the max range from 50 meters up to 100 meters when using this laser with a receiver. It's got a nice solid shock resistant casing. It's IP54 rated for water and dust, great for the job site. While it has both the most common tripod size mounts on the base of the actual laser, it also comes with a magnetized mount. It features micro adjustments from both the height, the distance from the wall, and the swivel. It's a really great bit of kit. All this is included and it's set in foam in this handy little compact case for getting it on and off site safely. This new 16-line green beam laser is available now at all Sydney Tool stores. Make sure you race in, check it out. You can ask any questions in that comment section down below. And if you need more info, head over to our website for the full specs and to order online. Until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.